Hello everyone, welcome to Chemical Engineering Education. Let's begin today's reactor simulation problem. In this video, we will simulate a plug flow reactor in DWSIM for the gas phase synthesis of ammonia from nitrogen and hydrogen. The reaction considered is nitrogen reacting with hydrogen to form ammonia, and the reactor operates under steady state isothermal condition using the Peng-Robinson equation of state. The feed entered the reactor at a mass flow rate of 3600 kg per hour, a temperature of 425 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 200 bar with equal mole fraction of nitrogen and hydrogen. The plug flow reactor has volume of 1 cubic meter and a length of 1.5 meter, and simplified reaction kinetics are used to model ammonia formation. Here is our objective. The objective of the simulation is to determine the outlet composition and the ammonia formation composition. So let us proceed with DWSIM simulation. Here is the DWSIM software. So here is the skin of the DWSIM software. So now here I am clicking create new to do steady state dynamic simulation, steady state simulation. So create new, then simulation configuration wizard will open. So click next. I don't have to do anything. Now here I have to select the component. So first is nitrogen, and then hydrogen, then ammonia. So next I have to take that property package. So here I am taking Peng-Robinson equation of state property package. So I am adding that and clicking next. Then here I am selecting customize unit C5. I don't have to do any other things. Okay, so then click next, and then I don't have to do any other things. So click next and then finish. Okay, now here okay, first what I have to do, I have to setting the kinetics. So setting here kinetics that settings, then I am going to reaction. Now here I am clicking in the reaction, the chemical reaction tab. So here plus sign kinetics. Now here nitrogen, hydrogen, ammonia. So I have to include all, and base component I am taking as a nitrogen, and stoichiometric coefficient. So nitrogen -1 and hydrogen -3 and ammonia 2. Now if you see that stoichiometric equation is balanced, so here you can see it is okay. Now here it is a irreversible and forward reaction I am considering. So I am taking the direct order 1. Okay, now here that base component nitrogen, base is the molar concentration. So now here I am taking as a vapor, and amount units kilomole per meter cube, and here kinetics is specification simple. Now here I am taking RNES constant. So in our problem, that RNES constant is 004. so I am taking that. So here in that DWSIM, so I am taking 004. Here I am taking 0.004. okay, I have to check again. Okay, 004. Now here the rate units, so that kilomole meter cube per second I am taking that. Okay, this is first order reaction. So then I am clicking OK. So now our kinetics is kinetic setup is done. So close it. Now here again I'll check again everything is correct or not. Yeah, everything is correct. Okay, now I'm taking I'm going to that reactor, means flow sheet objective palettes. I'm taking reactor, and from here I'm taking plug flow reactor. So now I'm increasing that size, means I'm zooming it. Okay, now here I'm just inactive that solver. So here I am taking inlet. One is inlet, Okay, so write inlet stream, so click or enter, and then here 2 is outlet stream. Okay, now I don't have to do any other thing. So now here I am putting that feed condition. So input data feed, if you see here, feed enter at temperature 425, pressure 200 bar, and total mass flow rate 3600 kg per hour. So, and molar fraction is 0.5, 0.5. Okay, so I have to put everything. So temperature is 425, right? Yes or not? Yes, and pressure is 200 bar. Okay, okay. 425, always type that that value and then enter, and then mass flow rate 3600, that is okay. And compound, so nitrogen is 0.5 and hydrogen is also 0.5 because equimolar, and ammonia is 0, means in inlet no ammonia is there. Then accept change. Okay, so you can see here, so everything is set up. Now going to that plug flow reactor, so here that inlet stream everything is set up. Okay, and outlet stream. Now here dimension reactor volume, you can see in that problem reactor volume is 1 meter cube and reactor length is 1.5 meter. So I have to give that value to in that solver. Okay, DWSIM simulator. So the reactor volume is 1, reactor length is 1.5. Okay, here everything is okay, so I don't have to do any other things. Now I'm active that solver and then I'm going to solve. I think everything turn into blue, means that my flow sheet is solved, means I got the result, means simulation has done. So now you can see here. Okay, so ammonia we got, nitrogen, hydrogen. So here you can see the nitrogen, hydrogen, ammonia, everything. Now if you go here result, so you can see the conversion. Conversion is nitrogen, hydrogen. Okay, 16.924, 48.572. okay, so now everything is done here. So now if you see, if you insert that property table, so here you can get everything, inlet, outlet. Okay, then temperature, pressure, mass flow rate, molar flow rate, and then here you can click that nitrogen molar fraction, molar flow, then hydrogen molar fraction, that molar flow, then ammonia molar fraction, what is that here, and molar flow, and then here you can see. Okay, so here one thing I missed here. So if you see here, that general, so calculation mode is adiabatic. So now here I have to change to isothermal. So now if you see, everything has changed. Okay, so the temperature, pressure, mass flow, everything is here. So mass flow is 3600, molar flow is 193.164, everything here. And then mole fraction nitrogen in that inlet 0.5, mole fraction of hydrogen is 0.5. okay, and mole fraction of ammonia is not in the inlet feed but outlet, it is 0.24125, and molar flow rate of the ammonia in that outlet stream is 46.6018 km. So everything is here. Okay, so that's it. I hope you understood how to solve that plug flow reactor in DWSIM. Thank you for watching.